The team from Yachts Corporation of Japan visited West Khasi Hills with the purpose to start up mushroom cultivation in West Khasi Hills district. The team from Yachts Corporation from Japan has conducted spot inspections to some forests at Sinduli village in West Khasi Hills. After the inspection, the team said that the wood and forest in the area are fertile and productive for shiitake mushroom cultivation. Yachts Corporation informed that one factory will be set up and the target is to fulfill the project within 2023.
Okay, we are here to execute the project in a collaboration project with MDC, Mushroom Development Center, under Meghalaya government. The project aims at increasing farmers' income by utilizing the Japanese technology. The Japanese technology means shiitake mushroom cultivation. Okay, that is the main purpose for us.
Earth Owl will be